Hey loves, it's Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today I want to show you guys how I take my scalp and hair from being really dry and flaky and moisturize and nourish it before I install my next style. So if you want to see how I keep my natural hair nice and healthy, then go ahead and keep watching.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Today's video is sponsored by Sudtana, a natural and sustainable beauty brand focused on making beautiful products with plants and herbs. Y'all know I love that. All products are 100% natural with organic ingredients. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and sustainable. Their main ingredients are sourced ethically and directly from local organic growers in Thailand. They clearly love the planet, and I'm really excited to work with them. So I just took my hair down and detangled it, and right now I want to apply a little scalp treatment before I go to bed. I typically don't take my hair down and wash it and deep condition it and everything in the same day. That's just entirely too much. So I like to take my hair down, apply a nice little scalp treatment, and then the following day I'll complete my routine. This oil that I'm applying to my scalp now is the Sudtana Bergamot Mint and Turmeric Scalp and Root Revival Treatment, which really helps to detox residues and chemicals from the scalp. It smells amazing and it's very lightweight, so I don't worry about having it on my pillows and stuff at night. I just apply a few drops to my scalp and then I rub it in with the pads of my fingers and stimulate the circulation as well. This product has bergamot, turmeric, and peppermint oil, which have potent antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe and nourish the scalp, especially after you take some braids down. While the sesame oil helps to stimulate blood flow, which really helps to promote healthy hair growth and strengthen the roots of your hair, which is super important if you wear lots of extensions and long braided styles like I do. You really want to have a healthy scalp that can maintain those styles. After I apply the oil to all of the sections, I just put it in a ponytail and wrap it up, and it is time to go to bed, girl. So it's the next day and I'm taking my hair down, and already I can tell the difference. It feels a lot more moisturized. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply this bergamot, coconut, and sesame hair mask oil to the length of my hair as well as the scalp. This oil has like a fresh scent. It's not as strong as the last one. I like to get all of the strands of my hair really nice and coated so that they can really absorb all of the nutrients from the products. And make sure you don't forget your edges, because this hair mask is really rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids that really strengthen and deeply nourish the hair. They used cold pressed coconut oil and sesame oil to retain the beneficial vitamins in the products so that they can thoroughly treat frizzy hair and split ends, because no one wants that. This video is sponsored by Sudtana, but listen, I would not bring these products to you guys unless I thoroughly enjoyed them. I'm obsessed with not only how the products behave, but I'm really intrigued and impressed by the ingredients. As you guys know, I wear braids and protective styles often, so you know that little buildup, that white buildup you get in your roots, that's one thing. If you don't set the time aside to take care of your hair in between your protective styles, it can really lead to dryness and dandruff. Trust me, I have been there. I love these products in particular because they help with all of that. While the scalp and root treatment is really like detoxifying and breaking up that buildup in the scalp, as well as giving you that like tingly feeling as it stimulates the blood flow in your scalp, which is really good for your hair. The hair mask is penetrating deep into the actual shaft of the hair, getting that nourishment and moisture in there. These products are giving dynamic duo vibes, okay? And I really like them. I also have some ideas about how I can use these products in some of my DIY self-care things that I make. My bath salts or a body scrub, maybe even like, adding it to like a shea butter whip. It would smell so good and be so good for your hair. So definitely check below in the description bar if you want to try these products out. And once I have this product applied all throughout my hair, I like to just wrap it up with my little microfiber towel and go ahead and finish my morning routine and let it sit in for maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. I like to start my morning with some water and a little snack, usually fruit. Today it's these really sweet and delicious cherries. I'm gonna just head to my balcony / garden and just chill out there for a bit. I also really need to water my plants, so let's do that before we go ahead and shampoo our hair. To finish up my hair routine, I like to use a really moisturizing shampoo to really cleanse and detoxify my scalp. And then I just apply a moisturizing conditioner as well. As you can see here, I like to comb all of my conditioner and product through before I rinse it out, just to make sure my hair is really detangled. And I let it dry a little bit with my microfiber towel just to absorb any excess water before I add a little bit more of that hair mask oil as a leave-in conditioner. And that's pretty much it, guys. I like to keep my hair really clean and moisturized in between styles. I don't like to add too much product and really like gunk up my scalp. If you want to try any other products from today's video, definitely check below in the description bar because I left a coupon code down there as well as links. So I have my hair drying. I wrapped it up in my little turban just to be able to wear around. This is just a routine I like to do to keep my hair really healthy in between installs. So I hope that you guys learned something. If you did, comment down below. And check out some of my protective style videos now that your hair is nice and moisturized and ready to go. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.